Yo YouTube, just a quick updated video to show you some Avatar World promo codes in 2026. I spent hours watching YouTube videos and searching Google and stuff, and I've managed to find some Avatar World codes you can redeem right now in 2026. You can get tons of free coins, you can unlock all packs and places, saving you a bunch of money. As you can see, the in-app purchases, especially for the coins, are pretty expensive. So these AW coins are really expensive. Before I show you these Avatar World promo codes, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel. And these are working in 2026, so I am going to be creating updated videos as and when they're needed. So let's get into it. As you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser. So I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android. Just use the mobile that you play Avatar World on, if you play on your mobile, of course. And you've got to head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So I'm just going to type it in. Sorry, I'm looking through the camera. My eye-hand coordination is a bit messed up. But yeah, go to Crash Coupons. And when you reach this website, they have hundreds of pages, guys. So you need to just navigate your way using the search bar to the Avatar World promo codes page. On this page, there are a few verified codes, and these are really popular. So scroll down, you can unlock all places, packs, and characters. You can get free gifts, and you can get 10,000 free AW coins. I'm just going to select this one for this example. I'm not going to run through the steps. These are limited codes, guys, so the full process does take about 5 minutes to unlock your personal code. But it is well worth it. As I showed you, the coins are really expensive. And yeah, so your Avatar World promo code is hidden. You need to unlock it, guys. This is completely normal and basically stops people taking all of the codes. So click on Get Full Code and you're going to see a new screen here that says complete 2 tasks basically to unlock your code. And you need to make sure you do follow the instructions. So I did this earlier. It's super easy, guys. There are going to be a list of tasks on this page, and you just need to make sure you do read the description. It tells you what to do for each one. These are really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing games and stuff. And once you do that, it'll send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Avatar World promo code will be revealed. So the full code will be shown, and then you redeem it in-game, and that one's going to give you free AW coins, but you can unlock all as well, which is absolutely awesome. So go to Crash Coupons. Let me know if you need any assistance or help, guys, but it is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.